Welcome to Watanabe Electric Japan. We are the leading company of digital panel meter and the signal converter. Today I will introduce our new product. This is our new product, graphical meter WPMZ. Parameter setting is very easy, almost like a smartphone or digital camera. WPMZ is a pulse input type, and only push one button, you can see bar graph like this. And also you can see trend graph like this. This meter have a 2-channel input, so if you using 2 meter, can show in one. Also can show the result of calculation from 2 channel. WPMZ can also use as a vertically. So now I will try to change the display direction. Just push menu button and choose system and general and display direction. And now horizontal. So change into the vertical. Enter and menu. So now you can show use as a vertically. WPMZ have a 4-point high and low setting. When you get to alarm, you can change backlight like this. Now red, and the other we have a green and yellow. Also can change the unit. Now liter per minute, can see. I will try to change this unit now. Push menu, input, and the pulse input A. And this one. Now you can choose the unit from here. You can choose from the 62 units, and also you can make custom unit. If you have any question or inquiry, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you for listening. Presented by Watanabe Electric Japan.